I told you guys there is most gonna be a part 2. So let's see, let's pick Chloe's name. Chloe. Okay. Now let's go with Alicia. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I hope this is gonna be a rare name. Andrea. Let's see. Oh, since Banini Bananini. Chimpanzini Bananini. I keep on saying it wrong. Okay, I have the dot Cassidy to do this. Cassidy. Yes. Tung 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 sour. Guys, Cassidy is from our family, so okay. Guys, we're going with my second name. Okay.
Like a silver gold ball, but it's still a gold ball. See? Ariana. Bumbuzini Guzini.
Oh, my second name. We're going with my sister's second name, Ava.
No. Where's the second
Eva.
thing?
Okay. Okay, I already filled in my brother's second name. Kona tung 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 sour. Yeah, we go with our little sister's name. Second name, Rose. I have to admit. Guys, now we're doing this or that. Okay, I have to do it.